Picture this. You're powering up a steep climb, legs burning, heart racing, and every ounce of energy counts. The difference between a good ride and a great one? It's often in your feet. The right cycling shoes don't just connect you to your bike. They amplify your performance, boost your comfort, and make every pedal stroke feel effortless. The cycling world is buzzing with cutting-edge designs that blend style, stiffness, and fit like never before. Whether you're a road warrior chasing speed or a gravel grinder seeking versatility, we've scoured the latest releases to bring you the top 5 best cycling shoes of the year. Be sure to check out the links we've included. They'll take you straight to the latest discounts for every product we discuss in this video. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 5 in our list is Shimano S-Fire SHRC 903. Stands out as a pinnacle of road cycling footwear, engineered for riders who demand peak performance without compromise. Building on its predecessor, the RC 902, this shoe refines fit and comfort while maintaining Shimano's reputation for stiffness and efficiency, boasting a 12/12 stiffness rating thanks to its carbon fiber composite sole. Weighing around 225 grams per shoe, size 42, it's impressively light, shedding 10 grams from the earlier model, which makes it ideal for competitive cyclists chasing marginal gains. The 360-degree surround wrapping upper, crafted from breathable microfiber leather with perforations molds to the foot for a glove-like fit, enhanced by dual BOA Li2 dials that offer micro-adjustable precision. Perfect for tweaking tension mid-ride during a grueling climb or sprint. Ventilation is solid for warm weather rides, though it's not the most breathable in extreme heat, and the narrow toe box might pinch for wider feet unless you opt for the wide version. Available in sizes 38 to 48, plus half sizes and women's fits, it caters to diverse riders with vibrant color options like blue, red, and white, adding flair. Scenarios where it shines include criterium racing, long summer road rides, or any situation demanding relentless power delivery. Durability is notable, though the premium materials require care to maintain their sleek look. Price hovers around $450 per 349 pounds, aligning with high-end competitors but reflecting its pro-grade pedigree. Number 4 is the Fizik Vento Stabilita Carbon. The Fizik Vento Stabilita Carbon emerges as a compelling choice for cyclists seeking a blend of stability, comfort, and race-ready performance in a stylish package. Its standout feature is the Dynamic Arch Support 2.0 system, which cradles the foot's arch for a secure, customized fit, paired with a unidirectional carbon sole that delivers excellent stiffness without the excessive rigidity that can fatigue feet over long rides. Weighing about 227 grams per shoe, size 42, it's lightweight enough for competitive efforts, while the PU laminated mesh upper ensures decent breathability. Ideal for hot summer races or training sessions, dual BOA Li2 dials provide precise adjustments, letting riders dial in the fit whether they're hammering a sprint or settling into a century ride. The shoe's sleek design, available in colors like black or white pink, appeals to style-conscious cyclists, though its narrower profile may not suit those with broader feet. It excels in scenarios like hill climbs or aggressive group rides, where power transfer and foot lockdown are critical thanks to a low stack height and responsive sole. Sizes range from 36 to 48, with half sizes offering flexibility, and the lack of heat molding, unlike some rivals, keeps it simpler but less customizable. It's a strong contender for racers or enthusiasts who prioritize fit over all-out stiffness. Pricing sits around $399.99 per pound, 375 pounds, competitive for its class but not a bargain. Number 3 is the Lake 403. The Lake 403 distinguishes itself in the high-end cycling shoe market with its focus on customization and all-day comfort, making it a favorite for riders who value fit over pure racing aggression. Its killer feature is the heat-moldable carbon fiber sole and kangaroo leather upper, which can be shaped multiple times in an oven to perfectly match your foot. A boon for those with unique shapes or wide feet. Available in standard and wide fits from sizes 39 to 50. Weighing around 290 grams per shoe, size 42, It's heavier than some competitors, but the trade-off is a plush, supportive feel, enhanced by a dual BOA IP1 dial system for precise tension across the forefoot and midfoot. The sole rates high on stiffness, delivering reliable power transfer for racing or long rides, yet it avoids the harshness of ultra-stiff options. Breathability is decent, with perforations in the leather, though it's better suited to temperate conditions than scorching heat. Scenarios where it excels include multi-hour endurance rides, grand fondos, or even casual spins where comfort trumps outright speed. The luxurious materials are durable but demand upkeep to preserve their premium look. It's less about sprinting supremacy and more about sustained pedaling efficiency, making it ideal for riders prioritizing longevity over lightweight minimalism. Pricing around $524.99 per pound, $395 reflects its bespoke appeal, though it's a steep ask compared to lighter rivals. Number 2. Shimano S-Fire RC903. The Shimano S-Fire RC903, essentially identical to the SHRC 903 with minor naming variations, embodies Shimano's relentless pursuit of road cycling excellence, blending sleek aesthetics with cutting-edge tech for serious riders. Its carbon composite sole, rated 12 out of 12 for stiffness, ensures every watt drives the pedals while weighing just 225 grams per shoe, size 42. It's a featherweight contender for racers. The 360-degree surround wrapping upper, made of perforated microfiber leather, hugs the foot securely with dual BOA Li 2 dials, offering micro-adjustments for a tailored fit, crucial during intense efforts like sprints or climbs. An upgraded anti-twist heel cup enhances stability, reducing twist under max power, a tweak informed by pro feedback from riders like Primož Roglič. Available in sizes 38 to 48, including wide and women's options, it fits a broad range with bold colors like metallic blue or red, adding visual punch. It thrives in competitive scenarios. Think crits, road races, or fast group rides, where its low stack height and responsive sole shine. Durability is strong, though the premium finish needs care to avoid scuffs. The toe box, slightly wider than the RC902, eases pressure for some, but narrow-footed riders might prefer rivals like Fizik. At $450 per 349 pounds, it's priced in line with top-tier shoes, offering pro-level performance without breaking new ground beyond refinement. Number 1 is the Specialized S-Works Torch. The Specialized S-Works Torch redefines high-performance cycling shoes by marrying uncompromising stiffness with surprising comfort, a feat that makes it a standout for racers and enthusiasts alike. Its carbon sole, among the stiffest available, optimizes power transfer with a low stack height while weighing a scant 200 grams per shoe, size 42, lighter than many peers, making it a dream for climbers and sprinters. The upper, crafted from a seamless Dyneema reinforced material, adapts to the foot via dual BOA Li 2 dials, offering micro-adjustable precision that excels during dynamic efforts or long hauls. Specialized body geometry tech, including adjustable arch support, ensures ergonomic comfort, reducing fatigue on epic rides. Ventilation is top-notch, with ample perforations perfect for hot summer races, though it sacrifices some wet weather protection. Available in sizes 36 to 49, standard and wide, it accommodates diverse feet, with a wider toe box than past S-Works models, a win for broader-footed riders. Scenarios where it dominates include stage races, hill-heavy routes, or any ride demanding efficiency and comfort in equal measure. It's not heat moldable like Lake's offerings, but the fit is so dialed most won't miss it. At $450 per 385 pounds, it's a premium investment justified by its blend of race-ready stiffness and all-day wearability, though it's not the cheapest in its class.